Hello, I'm Sherry. This video will bring you a cooling fan used in cabinet heat dissipation, EBM AC Axial fan 4656N. The thickness is 38 mm, length of side is 119 mm. Its impeller is made of steel plate with black coating. The shell is made of cast aluminum. The rotation direction is clockwise from the impeller side. The wind direction is blowing, which are obviously indicated on the side of the fan. It's with a ball bearing, while 4650N with the oil bearing. These two models can be used equally. The connecting line of 4656N is a flat plug, generally called plug and play. It can operate from -10 to 55 degrees centigrade. The service life is 40,000 hours. Our fan has VDE certification, CE certification, 3C certification, UL certification, and so on. It's widely used in ventilation and heat dissipation of server cabinet, network cabinet, and console cabinet. Here shows the voltage, current, power, and speed. Ebmpapst XL fans are compact in shape, convenient in installation, low in noise, and receiving, and diverse in variety. The fan blade diameter is from 6 to 28 centimeters, with different voltage. We have all of cooling fans in stock and have sufficient inventory. We have rich customized solutions and many project cases for reference. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.